Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can charge your Xiaomi camera. So first of all, we have to simply take off this silicone cover. So we can use our fingernail to make it gently. Yeah, just like that. If you have problem to make it, you can just simply make it with this thin item, for example. And as you can see right here, we can find the USB-C input. So what we have to do, simply plug the USB-C cable. That's very obvious. When you make it, it will light up, just like that. And also, this indicator will blinking like that. It means that it's charging. If it is blinking like that, and when it will be fully charged, it will stop blinking. And there is no matter what kind of the cable you are using, you can just use, for example, the cable from your smartphone or this one that you get with the box on the camera. So that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.